Ever feel like you're wasting your evenings after work? Scrolling through social media, binge-watching Netflix, or just feeling stuck in a rut? I've been there. But here's the good news. You can turn those wasted hours into something meaningful. Today, I'm sharing how I overcame wasting time after work, and how you can too. Let's dive in. Welcome to Built to Improve, where we're all about becoming the best version of ourselves. And today we're talking about something I struggled with for years: wasting time after work. You know the feeling. You get home from work, tired and drained, and before you know it, you've spent hours doing nothing productive. Sound familiar? Well, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. Here's how I turned my evenings around, and how you can too. Let's start with why I was wasting so much time after work. For me, it came down to three things. Lack of energy. After a long day at work, I was mentally and physically drained. All I wanted to do was zone out. No clear plan. I didn't have a routine or goals for my evenings, so I defaulted to mindless activities. Bad habits. Scrolling through social media, binge-watching shows. These habits were on autopilot, and they were hard to break. If any of this sounds familiar, don't worry. The first step to change is awareness. And once I realized what was holding me back, I was able to take action. Here's exactly how I stopped wasting time after work and started making the most of my evenings. Step 1. I set a clear intention. I asked myself, what do I want my evenings to look like? For me, it was about balance, relaxing, but also doing things that made me feel fulfilled, like reading, working on side projects, and spending quality time with family. I created an evening routine. Having a routine made all the difference. Here's what mine looks like. 6 p.m. Unwind with a quick walk or meditation. 6:30 p.m. Eat dinner and disconnect from screens. 7 p.m. Work on a personal project or hobby for an hour. 8 p.m. Spend time with family or friends. 9 p.m. Read or journal before bed. Having a structure helped me stay on track and avoid falling into bad habits. I eliminated time wasters. I realized that social media and Netflix were my biggest distractions, so I set boundaries. I deleted social media apps from my phone during the week. I limited Netflix to one episode per night, if at all. I turned off notifications to avoid getting sucked into my phone. I focused on energy management. Instead of crashing on the couch after work, I started doing things that gave me energy. A 10-minute walk to clear my head. A quick workout or stretching session. Listening to an inspiring podcast or audiobook. These small changes made a huge difference in how I felt and how I spent my evenings. I tracked my progress. I started keeping a simple journal to track how I spent my evenings. At the end of each week, I'd review it and ask myself, did I use my time in a way that aligns with my goals? This kept me accountable and motivated to keep improving. Here's what changed when I stopped wasting time after work. I felt more fulfilled. Instead of feeling guilty about wasting time, I felt proud of how I spent my evenings. I made progress on my goals. Whether it was learning a new skill, working on a side project, or just reading more, I started seeing real results. I had more energy. By managing my energy better, I felt less drained and more motivated to make the most of my time. The best part? It didn't happen overnight. It took small, consistent changes, but it was worth it. If you're ready to stop wasting time after work, here are a few tips to get started. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire evening routine at once. Pick one thing to focus on, like cutting out social media or adding a 10-minute walk. Set a goal. What do you want to achieve with your evenings? Whether it's learning something new, spending more time with loved ones, or just relaxing without guilt, having a goal will keep you motivated. Be kind to yourself. Change isn't easy. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Just refocus and keep going. Let me know in the comments what you want to achieve with your evenings. I'd love to hear your goals. Wasting time after work doesn't have to be your default. With a little intention and effort, you can turn your evenings into something meaningful and fulfilling. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Built to Improve for more content like this. And don't forget to drop your favorite evening routine tips in the comments. I'd love to hear your strategies. Until next time, keep building, keep improving, and make the most of your time. See you in the next video.